Chrysler Pacifica and Pacifica Hybrid. Why it stands out: unique plug-in hybrid, versatile stow-and-go seats, great entertainment features, good looks. What could be better? No cheaper base trim. Top trims and hybrid are really expensive, less comfy second-row stow-and-go seats. Read our full Chrysler Pacifica review. Chrysler has been building minivans since the notion was first conceived, and while ChryCo can technically be credited with inventing the concept, it was certainly responsible for endearing it to American car buyers. The Pacifica itself is now 7 years old, which is advanced by vehicular aging standards, but it remains competitive thanks to a top-notch interior, provided you're willing to pay for all the bells and whistles, and an available plug-in hybrid system that offers 32 miles of electric-only range. That's not only a segment exclusive, but quite solid by conventional PHEV metrics. The Pacifica's interior is reasonably attractive and well-appointed. It's not quite as pretty as the Sienna or Carnival inside, but it's a solid effort. It also comes packed with the segment's best tech. Chrysler's Uconnect infotainment is excellent as always and integrates with the rear seats to provide Bluetooth connections and charging points. There's also a full factory rear seat entertainment option if Uconnect and some tablets can't get the job done. Its standard 3.6-liter V6 makes 287 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. The PHEV makes a little less power, just 260 horsepower, but the instant torque from its electric motors make it feel much quicker, plus it can operate on battery power alone for short errands and commutes. Steering and handling are both reasonable, but be aware that the PHEV weighs nearly 600 pounds more than the standard V6, adjust your stopping distance accordingly. Plus, that hybrid is expensive. Expect to pay north of $50,000 just to get out the door unless incentives return in a big way. The biggest knock against the Pacifica is that its predicted reliability remains hit or miss. In a crowd that includes Honda and Toyota, that's something to consider.